Hello friends, today's topic markets down 20%, but I am not afraid because I am a student. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is Financial Education of Society. As all of you know, we often conduct question answer sessions. Many questions will be answered during that period of 30 minutes. However, many good questions will not be able to be answered during that tenure of time, and hence we are conducting a special video answering many of the questions. A question that came in our chat box was, Sir, I have taken a workshop, 20% market has gone down. I am still continuing SCP SIP because I am a student and monthly SIP is approximately 15,000. Our observation and comments are as follows. When your knowledge of stock market is good, you will have more confidence to face any bad phases in markets. Otherwise, usually, investors panic and take wrong decisions. 2. However, we must always be aware of how our investments are doing and monitor them regularly. Many investors just buy and forget, which is not the best approach. 3. For investors who are new or who don't have good knowledge, we suggest you to watch many of the old videos in our YouTube channel so that you get a better understanding of stock markets. First, focus on learning and you will automatically earn. The next question we are going to answer is, Sir, I can invest rupees 10 lakhs for 5 to 7 years. Where should I invest? Stocks, mutual fund or site? Observation and comment are as follows. 1. If you have around 5 to 7 years time horizon, this can be called lower end of the long term. 2. If your awareness about stock market is good, then you can consider investing in direct stocks. However, you need to be able to select good stocks and monitor them regularly. 3. Otherwise, you can invest in mutual funds too, or a combination of direct stocks and mutual funds. Whatever approach you take, you need to have sufficiently good knowledge about it. 4. If this investment is being done mainly for investment purposes, stock and mutual funds have potential to give higher returns than real estate. Here is an announcement regarding our online workshop. Topic is Creating Wealth from Mutual Funds. Sunday, 23rd March, 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. Course fee is 499, but special price of only rupees 299 for first 30 participants. Seats are limited to first 70 people. What will you learn in this online workshop? Basics and types of mutual funds, how to do online research about mutual funds through websites. For whom is this workshop? For people who want to learn about mutual funds from the basics, and 2, for people who want to invest in mutual funds for diversification apart from stocks. In fact, we wanted to give more details about this workshop. However, to keep this video short, we are going to put all the details in the description box. Our suggestion is, for more details and for registration, click the link button in the description box and then join. Now, continuing the matter of the video. Hi sir, during this market downtrend, quarterly results of companies may not be good. So how can we identify fundamentally strong stocks to invest for long term? It's a fantastic question and our observation and comments are as follows. Just because stock markets are weak, it does not mean that business performance of companies is weak. Companies may be doing well, but due to various other factors, stock prices and the overall market may be weak. 2. We need to study at least 5 years of business performance by checking profit and loss account, balance sheet, historical stock performance, etc. and then decide whether a company is worth investing in. 3. In short term, stock price falling does not mean that the company's business is doing badly. However, if a stock has to do well in the long term, then its business has to keep improving and it should be in a sector which has potential to further grow. 4. Many investors make the mistake of assuming that daily price movement is because of some news or information about the company. The next question in this episode is, how about short-term investing at such times using 30 DMA red line technique? Observation and comments. Number 1. You must always be alert for opportunities for short-term trades. For example, in this week there was a good rally and many stocks would have given an opportunity to do some short-term trades and earn some profits. 2. When there is downtrend, you will get relatively less number of opportunities to do short-term trades And when markets are rallying or more volatile, you will get good trades for short term. 3. If you follow technical analysis correctly for short-term trades, you can make decent to good returns over the years. Many people don't follow the rules properly, hence make losses or lose out in good opportunities to make profit. This is the last question of this episode. How to find out if the CFO, Chief Financial Officer, has resigned? Observations and comments. 1. The CFO of a large company has resigned. Usually the news is published in websites such as moneycontrol.com. Suppose it is the CFO of a smaller company, then you will know only if you check if the company has made any announcements. 2. You can check some announcements by searching for the company on the BSE website under corporate announcements. 3. This is why it is difficult to fully be aware of news of small companies since they don't get tracked by news publications. We will have to track such news on our own. For larger companies, due to their size, the news gets reported in most leading websites. In case this video has given you good knowledge about stock market, please type good in the comment section. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.